Welcome girls. I hope you all are thoroughly learnt about how to start CorelDraw application and how to create a new CorelDraw file under module 1. Let us start with module 2 for value added course graphic designing, which was offered by Department of Information Technology. And in this module 2, I am going to explain about CorelDraw screen and property bar. This is the sample CorelDraw screen, which has the number of small elements, and these elements are referred as the components of CorelDraw window. Let us see the various components of the CorelDraw screen. The components of the CorelDraw screen are title bar, menu bar, property bar, toolbar, rulers, toolbox, drawing window, drawing page, document navigator, status bar, color palette and navigator. We just see that screen in closer and then I will explain one by one in easier manner. Girls, see the screen very closer to you. Here the top of the CorelDraw application is referred as the title bar. Under the title bar present in the menu bar. Under this menu bar we can have the property bar. Under this property bar this will be shown as the toolbar. The numbers appear which are referred as the rulers. This is the toolbox. This is drawing window. This is the drawing page, which is color palette. This is the navigator screen. This is the document navigator. You can move from page 1 to page 2 by using this document navigator. This will be shown as the status bar. I will explain one by one in easier manner. Now we are going to see about the components and its description. The first component of the CorelDraw screen is title bar. This is the title bar. This title bar appears at the top of the CorelDraw window. It will be shows the name of the CorelDraw file which was currently working on, and it also has in the 3 more buttons: minimize button, maximize button and close buttons. Using this minimize and maximize button, you can resize the CorelDraw screen. Using close button, you can close your CorelDraw application. We can moving our CorelDraw application by using this title bar. Next one, menu bar. Menu bar which was located below the title bar. Here file, edit, view, layout, arrange, which are all are referred as the menu items in the menu bar. All these menu items also having the pull down menus. In this pull down menu we can choosing any options from it. For example, under this file menu you can create the new file. You can create a new file. You can save your existing file and you can open your file. All by using this, all are done with the help of this file menu. So clicks on a menu title in the menu bar to appear the pull down menu. Okay, clear? Let us move on to the toolbox. Toolbox, which is the important component of our CorelDraw screen, which was located at the left of the drawing window. Here we have so many tools. Using these tools we can create your drawings. We can include your drawing graphical images by using these tools. When you move your cursor over any tools in this toolbox, a tooltip text will appear. With the help of this tooltip text, you can know the name of the tools. Next, move on to a drawing window. What is drawing window? The drawing window is the whole work area in the middle of our CorelDraw window. It will be including drawing page. Including drawing page, we can refer as the drawing window. The objects which are appear in this drawing window does not appear in our printing. Drawing page. Next, what is drawing page? The section of the drawing window which was bounded by a shadow box is referred as the drawing page. This is part of our CorelDraw screen. In this drawing page, we can include any graphical image or we can draw any objects by using these tools. All are appear in the drawing page. The objects which are appear in this drawing page are only go for the printer. So the area outside the drawing page is simply a handy storage space. Rulers. What is meant by rulers? Why we have to using this rulers? So rulers, when you need to move, size or create or align our objects in the CorelDraw application, you can perform this by using these rulers. The rulers consist of both vertical bar and horizontal bar. This is shown as the vertical bar, this is shown as the horizontal bar. Both of the bars have marked as the units. With the help of these units, we can align or size or create our objects. The rulers which was appear in upper left corner of the drawing window. And then standard toolbar. This is also one of the most important components of the CorelDraw screen, and this toolbar which was contains number of buttons and controls which are all the shortcuts to many of the menu commands. The menu items are also chosen by using the icons in this toolbar. Each and these small images which are referred as the icons, it's each icon which will be shows one of the options of the menu items. If it is the for example this new using this toolbar, using this icon in the toolbar, we can create a new CorelDraw screen. Using this you can open the CorelDraw, already existing CorelDraw application. You can save your application by clicking these icons. These all are the shortcuts used for the menu items. This will be the function of these are shown by the next slide. See that here the toolbar items, the items in the toolbars. Here's the icon representation of the toolbar items. This is the shortcut key used to opening this toolbar items. For example, when you can creating a new CorelDraw application, we can simply pressing Ctrl+N, or you can click on this icon to start the new drawing. Open, shortcut key Ctrl+O, it will be helps to opening the drawing. Ctrl+S is the shortcut key for saving the drawing, and you can print your document by simply pressing Ctrl+P. And then you can cut any of the objects you want to copying by using this cutting. Ctrl+X help for cutting the selected objects, and it will be store these objects in the clipboard. And then Ctrl+C is the shortcut key for copying the objects. Ctrl+V, we can help to paste the clipboard contents to our drawing. And then the two special options which are presented in all applications, which will be referred as the undo and redo option. Redo options, it will be restore an action that was undone options. And then import, we can importing any drawing from other applications. And then export option, the export option will be giving your CorelDraw application needs to be exported to any other application. This is the standard toolbar icons and its descriptions. Next we move on to the property bar. The property bar gives the information about any selected objects in your drawing window. For example, we can draw any objects in that drawing window. This property bar shows the properties of the particular object. For example, here you have to we already draw the rectangle. This is the property bar. This will be show the properties of this rectangle. XY. This XY is the position of the rectangle objects, and then we can specify the outline by using this property, hairline. This property, this is no outline by using this property. So these all are shown by the selected objects properties. It will be when the property bar changes depending on what object you select in the drawing window. Here the example, this is also one example for the property bar. Here I am selecting the text tool. The text tool is drawn in the drawing page, and here this all the properties, the properties related to text objects such as font name, font size, and then styles which are applying for that font, which helps to change the appearance of the text. This property, the property bar also have a special property bar that appears when you do not have any selected objects. The property bar no selection, that is we cannot drawing any objects in your drawing page. The property bar shows the no selection option. This shows only the appearance of the drawing page properties. Drawing page properties you can select from that property bar, which is known as the property bar with no selection. This property bar can float over your drawing window and you can dock it just below the standard toolbar. By default, the property bar sits below the standard toolbar. You can drag on any portion of the property bar between the tools and move it onto the drawing window. If the property bar is floating over the drawing window, you can drag the property bar's title bar to move it as per your convenience. Thank you, girls. I hope you all are now trained to what are the components of the CorelDraw screen and property bar. Thank you once again.